A baler or hay baler is a piece of farm machinery used to compress a cut and raked crop such as hay, cotton, flax straw, salt marsh hay or silage into compact bales that are easy to handle, transport and store. Often bales are configured to dry and preserve some intrinsic value such as the nutritional value of the plants bundled. The most common type of baler in industrialized countries today is the round baler. It produces cylinder-shaped, round or rolled bales. The design has a thatched roof effect that withstands weather. Grass is rolled up inside the baler using rubberized belts, fixed rollers, or a combination of the two. When the bale reaches a predetermined size, either netting or twine is wrapped around it to hold its shape. The back of the baler swings open and the bale is discharged. The bales are complete at this stage, but they may also be wrapped in plastic sheeting by a bale wrapper, either to keep hay dry when stored outside or convert damp grass into silage. Variable chamber large round balers typically produce bales from 120 to 180 centimeters in diameter and up to 150 centimeters in width. The bales can weigh anywhere from 500 to 1000 kilograms depending upon size, material and moisture content. Common modern small round balers, also called mini round balers or roto balers, produce bales 51 to 56 cm in diameter and 52 to 71 cm in width, generally weighing from 18 to 25 kilograms. Due to the ability for round balers to roll away on a slope, they require specific treatment for safe transport and handling. Small round bales can typically be moved by hand or with lower powered equipment. Due to their size and their weight, which can be a ton or more, large round bales require special transport and movement equipment. The most important tool for large round bale handling is the bale spear or spike, which is used mounted on the back of a tractor or the front of a skid steer. It is inserted into the approximate center of the round bale, then lifted and the bale is hauled away. Once at the destination, the bale is set down and the spear pulled out. Careful placement of the spear in the center is needed, or the bale can spin around and touch the ground while in transport, causing loss of control. When used for wrapped bales that are to be stored further, the spear makes a hole in the wrapping that must be sealed with plastic tape to maintain a hermetic seal. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.